Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are the Research and Destruction channel. And here's what we have for you all today. For one, it's great to be back out on the range. We took a couple weeks off, tried to get some stuff done around Justin's shop, up at the camp where I work. But we're back out on the range for you guys today and super happy. And here's what we have for you today. We are so impressed with this 50 AE, this Grizzly 50 right here, that we wanted to see just what kind of power this thing has and what kind of destruction it can do. So what we got for you guys today, we have this electric motor here, this fan motor. Now these are very dense. We know it's not going to go through, but we just want to see what it does to the stator and the rotor in this thing. So we're going to shoot that. We're going to see if it can make it through. I don't think so, but it'll destroy this bowling pin here. These things are freaking hard too, man. We got cinder blocks. We got a block of salt. And what we're going to do at the end, if y'all stick around, which I highly recommend, we got another Sammy skull from Zombie Goes Boom. And we're going to stack up a couple cinder blocks and shoot one of these things, see how it penetrates through the cinder block wall and if it can take out Mr. Zombie Head here. So this is what we got for you guys today. Let's do it.
All right, we're about to send 300 grains of jacketed hollow point into this motor here. I kind of wish I would have wore a cup to protect the important parts, but we'll see what we can do. Ready? Of course, Chris is hiding behind his vehicle and I got nothing. I guess I could have put up a blast shield, but I'm kind of afraid to pull the trigger right now. Did you hear stuff hit back here? I'm good.
This is sweet. Check that out. Well, it froze it. Yeah, it ain't spinning no more, so it obviously pushed the stator into the rotor. All right, Justin, come here and check this out a little closer. There's the whole kit and caboodle. Most of it was right there. Didn't go in too far. These are pretty tough. We may have to shoot this with a 50 brass later and see how good those will do, or an AP. Anyways, let's move on to the next. Let's do the bowling pin, see how that does. Here we go.
All right, we're still gonna send the 300 grain jacketed hollow point. That's gonna be consistent the whole way through. I'll try to hit the meatiest part of that pin. Hopefully I don't miss and then get some shrapnel back here. We good? All right. Jeez. That was a lot of force to knock that plate down like that. Jazer. Slid the base plate out with a recoil. My pinky's bleeding.
All right, I had stated this before. Could use this as small arms protectant, definitely. You can just strap these to your body and you're gonna save yourself from a 50 AE. Went in there, perfect shot. Good shot, Justin.
Thank you.
And nothing on the backside, just that nice tiny little hole. Boop.
No bulge?
No, we'll have to cut this open and see what we can find inside, see what the damage did inside, take your bandsaw to it, see what the projectile looks in it. All right, let's see some destruction here. We're gonna line up 3 cinder blocks, see how that holds up. Here we go.
All right, let's see some actual destruction. I'm kind of curious how much cinder block it's going to take to stop it. I honestly think maybe 1, considering it is a hollow point. It's a little blowy and a little cold today, so I can kind of barely feel what I'm holding on to right now. I think my guess was correct. Let's check it out.
Well, dang it, I was wrong. Justin was right. He said, nah, it's just gonna go through this first one and dust this back piece. I thought it would bust through at least 2 of these layers and crack this second one back here. It didn't, but it still did pretty cool. That was awesome on the high-speed camera. You just gotta love the carnage, right? So we got more carnage for you. Let's see what it does to this salt block.
All right, I don't know if you guys have seen our older videos with the salt blocks. They're pretty resilient, surprisingly resilient. But I'm really curious. Let's try this bad boy out. I can't feel my fingers. Whoa! What was that? The round. The actual round. Is this hot? Wow, that's gorgeous. Ow, it is hot.
Turned it inside out.
It literally turned it inside out, went past me, hit the box. I don't know if it's focusing at all. Yeah, this was the one I was most concerned about, it throwing it back. That is cool.
See, this would be good car armor for you. Just line your whole vehicle with salt blocks. Of course, this is a hollow point, but that is beautiful, man. That's got to be the coolest projectile we've ever recovered. The way it's turned it completely inside out is just amazing.
The way it is?
The way it is. And you can tell it's a 50 AE by the way it is. Okay, I think we're wearing that out. But anyways, that's pretty neat. So here's what it did. Did not take much off this salt block. These things are tough. All right, we are gonna set up a special surprise for you guys. You guys are lucky you stayed around to the end of this video. Justin will show you what we got. Let's do it.
This is the part that I always look forward to, just destroying stuff with a 50. Best feeling ever. Well, until we get larger caliber firearms. But this will do for now. So this is a British AP, and I'm hoping the cinder blocks don't actually deflect the round and miss Sammy over there, or whatever we named him. I want to see it do full carnage and then splatter it on the last brick. All right, here we go. Whoa, look at that. I think he's okay. I'm kind of surprised he survived that. Oh, let's check out that carnage.
That was some cool carnage. I love that high-speed camera. It's only at like 6,000 frames a second. It's a Chronos 1.4, but that was really cool. So that was a nice flash. He hit almost down where this centerpiece is on the brick, but it was still up high enough from it, and it went through. You saw it, and man, it just, I tell you, he got peppered with some brick there, that's for sure.
Caress him.
Sammy. All right, so we promised to blow this head up. We thought that British API was just going to rip through both these bricks and take out the zombie here, but so we're going to shoot one more 50 AE straight on to the head and just see what it does. Here we go. That's going to be cool. Oh, hey! Look at that. There's part of the jacket.
Is that from the 50?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be dadgummed. But no projectile though. Never found the projectile. Hey! I'm just kidding. I never found it.
Damn it.
All right, let's do it.
So it's kind of a bummer that the 50 BMG didn't make it all the way through, but nonetheless gives us an excuse to shoot another one. So we can actually see what the 50 AE will do to a skull. Do I hit him in the temple or right in the center of the cranium?
Right in the center.
All right. You ready? All right. We good? Oh, my goodness. That did so much more carnage than I thought. I got peppered with zombie blood and debris. So the camera is recording from right here, and you can see a piece of his skull there, and there's like little bits all over the place. Chris, are you peeing? Oh.
Camera off.
Okay. Wait, it blew the camera off?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, there's oil all over it.
Gross.
It actually captured it and saved it.
That's sweet.
That sucks.
There is debris everywhere.
That was cool. Like, it blew my camera off. Here's a piece. I think maybe we can look on the other cameras. I haven't looked on any cameras yet to see if you could even see that one, but this piece took out this camera, but it's still recorded, which was funny. Let's check out our dude here. Hey, look, we got another Constantine little demon dude there. That's pretty gross. That was gross.
Hey, look at the brick.
I know, nasty. Yeah, it went through. Definitely put some DNA on the brick here.
Gross.
Gross, yeah. And I seen a piece. I was back behind the car there, and I seen this piece fly up. The big piece landed there. Here's one. Here's most of his chrome dome, gold dome. Well, there you go, folks. That was pretty cool. This is what we got for you guys. Don't forget to sign up on our Instagram page. We usually put a lot of stuff there, stuff Justin and I are working on. We don't put a lot of stuff on YouTube other than making the videos. So sign up for our Instagram page, okay? I'll put a link down below. Don't forget your Going Ballistic t-shirts. And we'll be back.